This lesson is 4.4 in Go Math Practice and Homework. The title of this lesson is Divide Tens, Hundreds, and Thousands. Let's read the directions for the first section. Ready? Go. Use basic facts and place value to find the quotient. Okay, so in this first problem, 3,600 divided by 4. What's our basic fact?
36 divided by 4.
36 divided by 4. I want you to underline the basic fact to help show your work. Okay, so what is 36 divided by 4, everybody? 9. And then we count the zeros. 2 zeros. And we put them right behind it, right?
Yeah.
So because it's 36 hundredths, the answer is going to be 9 hundredths. All right, let's pick 4 and 10 from these problems. So number 4 is 300 divided by 5. Can we do 3 divided by 5? No. What is our basic fact going to be?
30 divided by 5.
Yeah, so underline your basic fact. That's all you have to do to show your work. And 30 divided by 5 is? 6. Now how many zeros do we have behind the 30? 1. We're not going to count that second 0 because that goes with 30, not 3. Okay? The basic fact was 30 divided by 5, not 300 divided by 5. Okay, let's look at number 10. Everybody underline your basic fact. What is it?
36 divided by 6.
Yes, 36 divided by 6. Think and say. What is it? 6. Now how many zeros behind it? 1. So your answer is 60 on that one too. All right, very good. Because it's 36 tens. Let's look at number 12. Let's read it together and do cube. Ready? Go. Hillary can read 560 words in 7 minutes. How many words can Hillary read in 1 minute? So this is how you know when you're going to divide. If it has a big number and it's going down, then that means you're going to divide. So we have a big number of 7 and we're going down to 1 minute. So that means we divide. When you have the big number and you go down, you divide because it's getting smaller. Your answer is going to be smaller. So we have 560 divided by 7. Write it down. Then underline your basic fact. Think about your basic fact. And what is it?
56 divided by 7.
Great. And 56 divided by 7 is what? 8. And how many zeros? 1. And I just put a dot above my 0 to show my work that way. And so I have 80. Now the question said, how many words can Hillary read in 1 minute? The answer is 80 words. Okay, so I'll just write it here, 80 words. All right, I'll just explain through number 15. It says, explain how your knowledge of place value or basic facts helps you divide a number in the thousands by whole numbers to 10. Give an example to support your explanation. Okay, so just how does your knowledge of place value, like how many tens or how many hundreds something is, help you divide a number in the thousands by whole numbers to 10. Okay, so just think, well, I know that if it's 6 hundredths, I know that that's how many zeros will be behind it. Does that make sense? Yes, so just use that to help you with it. It's like the basic fact. Find the basic fact and then you divide, count the zeros and place them close by. Okay, does that make sense? Just that knowledge of place value, how many zeros will help you. All right, ready, go.